So we just chopped up some onions and I wanted to show you what it looks like. So you can see everything in there is nice and chopped up pretty evenly. There are a couple of bits in here that are still large, but I only pressed the button down for about 3 seconds. So it was just a quick chop. I probably could spoon everything in here, hit the button again, and everything would be chopped down and diced out perfect. If I wanted to even like puree this or make it really, really finely chopped, then I could let it go for longer. And this is only a half of an onion. So if I had a full onion in here, I think it would do better just because it's got a little bit more space to be pushed around. Just like in a blender, if you only put a piece of ice in there, it's gonna kick it around. But if you have a bunch of ice, it blends it and it's gonna turn into like a smoothie. Now the machine itself, you could see it's really easy. It's just got 2 buttons. This is gonna be for soft stuff. So if you wanted to do things like guacamole, salsas, if you want to do fruit, anything like that, you would use that softer one. And it's basically just going to spin it at a lower rate and just make it cut a little bit easier. Then if you wanted to do things like meat, nuts, anything that's more hard, you would actually use this second button right here, and it's basically going to spin it faster and a little bit more aggressive. Now the 2 pieces that are going to come with it are a glass and a metal, and both of them will have these rubber rings on the bottom, which are great so nothing slides around, it doesn't shake or make any noise. And then the lid itself, it just has a little rubber gasket over the top that kind of holds everything in place. And then once you put your food processor on top, it is all set up. So really easy to use, and as you can see, it works freaking great. Everything gets chopped up within a matter of seconds. If you're doing something that's harder, like maybe nuts or meat, you might want to hold it down for like 10 seconds, but I mean, come on, 10 seconds, 15 seconds is nothing. That's going to save you so much time. So if you're looking for a food chopper that saves a bunch of time and makes your life easier, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.